To insert a new column into a table, click the existing column's header. On the columns toolbar, click the Add Column button and choose Numeric Data Type. The numeric type has settings to allow decimal and to format the digits. For this example, the column is a quantity column, so we don't use decimal and there is no formatting. Click the Apply button on the numeric settings to add the column. Change the new column's header to quantity. Click the pencil button to deactivate the column's header text editing. We want to move the quantity column after the select column. If the selection is not on the quantity column, click the quantity column's header to select it. With the selection is on the quantity column, click, hold, and drag the handle, and drop it on the drop handle of the select column. Click the Add Column button and choose the currency data type. Click the Enter text at the new column's header and change it to unit price. Users should not be able to change the unit price, so we make this column read-only. Click the Make Column Read-Only button. Click the Add Column button and choose the currency data type. Click the Enter text and change it to subtotal. We will use a formula to calculate subtotal and the calculated value must not be editable. Click the Make Column Read-Only button.